As I forgot to update you, I got these two linen trousers. Nowadays, I love linen trousers. And then I have, because of my husband, and then I have one in the car. I'm gonna share you. They look so pretty, right, guys? Wow. Look at this, Rosa. Look at this. I love it. And then it's transparent here. Don't worry about my bedroom. Our bedroom, I'll arrange it later. Right, baby?
Yeah.
I love it, guys. This is the next one. How does it look?
The first flowering plants depended on insects as their primary.
You love it? Which one is your favorite? Tell me which one is your favorite. Hi guys, how are you? It's an update of the week. I'm doing good. I know you've missed my videos, right guys? It's been a minute. I'm wearing this corset. I just want my waist zingy. I have a tiny waist, yes, but then I want a very curvy, you get me? You see that? Yeah guys, so yeah, I'm loving my body. I always love my body and I do this to take care of my body. I was just saying hi guys, and I'm doing good, okay? I'm doing for today's on Monday. Yesterday I think I vlogged, guys. I just said hi, okay? So it's about time I prepare for dinner. Yeah, man. Bye. See her. I'm in the dark. But I can still see myself. You get me? Girl with a good body. Hey. Girl with a good body. Ooh. But I'm sorry, I'm married. So these are my potatoes. These are golden potatoes, and then these are some maize. Maize corns. So I think I wanna cook some mashed potatoes, but then I don't know with what. I think I should go to the shop, nearby shop. I don't know, but yeah, I'll update you. Na 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 na. Hey, na 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 na. Can't see. Nani fresh? Wow. Thank you, sister. Oh, my pretty sister. Oh, unakari na grande. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, hi. So, anakwanga hivyo alikuwa.
I'm for real. I want it.
Also. Chika.
We die. Muna love food.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit tricky. Kama yote cheka yote.
Yeah. It has survived because these are roses. Roses was in a crack.
Oh yeah.
Yep, for like so long.
How long is it?
Apili, so you can keep it.
Yeah. Hata niko na nyingine, but hiyo flower nyingine si kuweka yote. Kidogo. Sinaona ama nafaa kuweka yote ama inileka kidogo.
Oh, yeah, I have to put all of it because ni ya food so that they can survive. And cutting.
Oh my god. Now I have 2 flowers. Unakumbuka nguo yako ulifungua na kitambo? My sister used to wear her clothes like this kitambo. But she changed. My face is glowing.
Oh yeah, and be careful ukishikanga hizi usiweke kwa mdomo.
Ni kali ama nini?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, it's gonna poison us. That's what I heard.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Happy?
Kwa dining.
Oh.
This is the food that I cooked for my sister. That's her food. And kachumbari, of course. And maybe it's some more spicy.
Make a pili.
Yeah, make a pili. You hear my sister's the way you talk. And make a pili. Like, the Kiswahili is not Kenyan. You get me? Mkuja America, jamani hata Kiswahili change. Ah!
See to me, Dad.
Yeah. Wow. Ile nini inakaa.
Calling me up like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, 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 you making me new today. Crying out, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. Ooh, you wait for me. And in the season you wait for me.
I'm ready. Guys, my sister's driving me. I'm screaming. Chalo niendeshwe.
Onto Morgan Way South.
Calling me up like the first day. Hey, this ain't no first aid. Yeah, 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 you making me new today. Crying out, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. Ooh, you wait for me. And in the season you wait for me. No, took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love that for me. I love it, I love it, I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Yeah, took me from rags to riches. Love it for me. Yeah, I love it, I love it, I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love that for me. I love it, I love it, I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. I love it for me. Yeah, I love it for me. Yeah, you always spending time with me. But you nothing in a dime on it. Bought me at a price a man can't afford. Taking me to places I ain't explored yet. Heavenly places. No GPS or escaping. No escaping.
Guys, let me show you.
You had everything, gave it all away, gave me everything. Drip on the cross, gave us on the sun, didn't take a loss. You did it for me. Glory only fully clothed, yeah. No, the sun is still unfold, yeah. Took me from rags to riches, rags to riches, yeah. You wait for me, and in our season you wait for.
Yaani sasa nilikuwa na vlog, kamera yangu ilikuwa chafu, sasa ndo nimepangusha. Imagine.
Uko unashangaa mbona iko?
Na ni iPhone 16. Mbona iko blurry?
What is going on? Like, what is going on?
It's about time we fuel the car. Kagari parking na mimi ndo huyu mwenye si.
Hey, is this? Kwanza nataka kunaona hii check engine yangu ilikuwa inawaka. Hata naweza enda hapo saa hii.
Engine ilikuwa inawaka?
Unaona hiyo
wewe twende.
Nenda tu saa hii.
Tusilipukiwe. Guys, I'm hanging out with my sister. Yeah, myself, I'm just being a birdie, being a baby girl, you know. The place here, engine. I think let me zoom it for you. Mona zoom. That's my sister. Mafuta guys bado ina run. I mean the whatever.
To vacuum.
Sidani, it's
Yeah,
not.
so tungoje huyu. And then nioshe.
Wewe unajoshia?
Inakunga so fun.
Wow.
The first time I did it, I was like, this is not so bad.
Asking my husband, yes, not just like another day, no, yesterday but one. Nikamwambia, enjoy. So some people washing their own car. Maybe we go wash our own car. It's like, nah, that's not my thing. But you can do it. Let's go. I'll watch you do it. I'm like, may you watch me doing it?
No.
It's so today, really I'm gonna watch you doing it, and then next time I'll do it on our car.
Yeah. It's so fun.
Spend a day with us, guys. You know, I'm gonna post this video like it will be separate.
Yeah. I'm here now. Hey, babe.
Woo! Nani? Sikia venye nachoma na baby kuna crash huku bilioni amekuona.
Yeah, involve you.
Guys, imagine our grandfather used to confuse us. Do you think he was but when we were young maybe we used to look alike, because right now we don't look. Do you look alike?
Any babuto?
We don't. Yeah, our grandfather was calling me Auntie and then calling this Carol. Now you're like, who are you calling? Okay, I used to go like, are you calling me or her? Like, who is Benzi? Who is Carol? And then like,
we are Benzi.
Yeah.
When you're done, you
do you gonna wash the car, guys?
You didn't share a Tesla blue. I was like,
middle and orange. Imagine.
Ushaona Mercedes ya yellow.
Nishaona kuna Kenya karibu nichome.
Yani unaharibia a brand like Mercedes unaweka yellow. Honestly, that
imagine.
Me never feel I kind of way.
It's a paradise.
Here we are, three men without a country. Where to go, what to do, and how to be. I think we blew our last chance with the home crowd. We took our bows, said goodnight, and took off to where the lights don't reach. What do you do when it's all been said? Where do you go when it's all been done? Where do you run when you're alone? When there's no one left to hurt you? We'll be alright. We have the strength of the three of us. I have a knife to cut you down.
Yeah, there we go.
Guys, I'm at my sister's place where she lives, man. And look at the sun, though, it's just sunning on my face and hers. Oh, with Mariana. Guys, look at my sister's lovely thing. Jamani, she's not even worn it. Oh, red bottoms. Oh my god. Ooh, pretty. Wow. Hii nitavunjika mguu. Unaweza vaa? Wow.
Hebu jaribu kuvaa.
Let me try with my guys. I'm already wearing some other shoes. Huku nimekuja shopping naambia. Hii ni mguu gani? Massage wangu.
Na ukwe pole ukwe comfortable, okay?
Yeah.
Very comfortable. Ni vile hapa ni carpet utasikia ni.
Kwani kuna karatasi mbele jamani?
Kuna. Yeah, so ndio nilikuwa nakwambia hapa mbele.
Kwani ni tofauti? Kai, and it's big.
I know, it's very high.
And it's big, the shoe.
Yeah, it's big because it's up and belly, it's tight. I had to,
yeah.
when you buy kama hii, you have to buy an extra one. Shika hii, buy ingine.
Wow.
Man, you need to find a pig picture as well. This one also pretty.
Wow, I love this one. Aki. Aki, you remember, guys, look at this one. And I'm wearing some black shoes. And I feel like falling down. But they're still the same. Aki, maybe I love this one. Give me this. This one I can walk in. My sister's selling this bag.
Oh yeah, guys, if you really need it, I only just use it once.
Wow. Barbie.
The tags are still there.
Even the receipt. How much? $2,000. Guys, $29.
So the tags are still there.
Will they buy? These people, they'll be like, hey, whoa, that's a lot.
Amazing. It's just the tags.
Yeah, guys, so you've seen it's $2,100 US dollars, equivalent to 300,000 Kenya shillings. Bring the money and get this bag.
Yeah,
wow,
if you need
pretty. Kulize.
Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me do that.
Popping champagne.
Pop that shit.
Champagne glass.
Oh my god. Why are you saying oh my leg, please?
Alexa, play Overlay.
I didn't get.
Kupeana ID.
Tukitembea.
Sasa leo tunatembea siku mzima ndio maana sina haraka because you're working a lot. Serving the guys. And me, I'm wearing this. Serving my titties. Guys, tumepeana menu zote. Tell me why my sister anabaki na ya pombe.
Because we are drunkards.
Walevi ni walevi. But the Kenyans ni walevi. Sisi kunde walevi.
We cannot live without alcohol.
Of course. Alcohol ndio inafanya tuishi.
Vingine ndio nipate order yangu ya pili.
Haya.
Looking for my second order. YouTube.
Mimi nataka.
Usijaribu espresso
spicy.
Kuna ndio hii. Chili margarita.
Hii.
Yeah.
Nilikunywa last time.
Nice.
Hii ni poor.
Sparkling.
Yeah.
White peach mint punch. Okay, prosecco. Okay. Ooh, hizi nili kuna champagne. This prosecco ni champagne.
Yeah.
Hii
Unaanguka si ndio?
nachukua hiyo.
Nataka hiyo next.
No, umesema hii.
Mimi nataka yenye kuna chili.
Yeah, so umesema hii.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Margarita shot. Jello shot.
Kwa interchange. Acha hii kuje maybe inaweza kuwa tamu niseme the same thing. Yeah.
Hawajaandika
Lighting hapo sasa ni smart.
alcohol. Very cool. Yeah, next time twende Seattle. Mimi napenda Seattle.
Yeah.
Because
Guys, in Belleville right now.
yeah, because Seattle
Waiting for
people are
Bell.
more chatty. Like talker there.
My drink is already here. Mariko, my sister's drink. Actually, guys, I'm not vlogging well because I even forgot to show you who's serving us. Madsen.
Okay, no worries. Okay, no worries. Lisa.
You want me to wait till it's done?
Okay.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you got
okay, Sasa, what you need check? Just in case kama sitapan. Okay, Sasa, thank you. Okay. You please, miss. Akumbuki jina, but ameniambia kaliko. So I just need to look.
You self over. There goes your
Hey,
drink.
thank you so much.
Welcome.
Hey, cheers. Bye.
Cheers. How's yours?
It's you got a sour. But still coming the thing, you know, when I pass now.
Oh, my God.
I like yours. Wow.
It's nice.
My drink is not. My husband taught me how to choose drinks.
Okay, perfect. Got some soy sauce and chocolates for you.
Thank you.
Nice. And then I got a Cajun chicken.
Yeah, just right here. Thank
Perfect.
you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy, y'all. Anything else I can get for you guys?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Oh, actually,
Me,
thank you, Carol.
right?
Yeah. All right, comes in a dumpling.
Yeah, and then we go to our main meal. Guys, this is our starter, main meal. Then desserts, we'll order for that later. Okay?
Okay, so let's hear another.
Tunataka Chinese kama. Moja Chinese. Chicken twelve.
Hey, what should I put inside?
So, inaturekodi sana, mimi na rekodi na Chinese.
Alright, don't forget your.
Drop me the video.
What's your total? So don't you need this yet?
Inakaa vizuri hivi kadhaa ndio good.
How's everything looking?
Good. Yeah.
Have you guys anything else?
Could we have another chopstick?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Who's one of the chopsticks?
And to me. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You guys want some sharing plates?
I'm sorry to share plates.
Oh, plates?
Yeah, it's just because it's kind of full here, so we're like.
Do you want them?
Yeah.
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 Take
Okay.
them.
That one.
Thank you. Alright, here.
Guys, I wish you could hear what I'm saying, but I know the music is louder than my mouth. So,
I am bon appetit, Carol.
tumekuja Amerika kujirisha guys. Tumekuja kuelimisha my fans. Mbona unashindanga mimi? Hai, mbona nisahau? Lazima nisahau. This is laughing a bit loyo. Kwa sababu acha ningebila alafu nitaweka baadaye naweza kusikia.
It's okay. Yeah?
Because I'm saying chocolate full before school menu.
I don't put some more ideas. This is very clean. Funny cheers. Don't worry. It's just right. What I mean, he can't laugh. He was like that.
Oh, no. Jenny the God. Red Ocean Sea. What?
It's a red ocean in wine.
Inakaa kauli kameteleza.
God.
So yako sitaku ndogo. Wana nikwambie hii tamu. Unakaa ndio potatoes. Tunaona ni inakaa kitamu. Camera. Where's the camera? How can you forget my people? Jenny. I keep control of how.
Inakaa frustrating. Inakaa tu frustrating.
Saa ingine nasukusa. Nikwambie nikichukua na kule na sposo yangu.
Ooh, I like that. Hey guys, you see how hot I look? How funky it look?
I'm glowing. Okay, tuko na mikupa. Si mi peke yangu. Even my sister she has mikupa.
I just don't have a ring though.
Yeah, my love, you get.
But this year, me in a special though. Yeah, because I'm already feeling. Yeah, I'm like feeling. It's very clean. Hindi ko na pala text apa.
I'm glad, guys. I know you enjoyed the part where we're eating the starter, and now it's time to eat our main meal. And you can see it's very yummy and tasty. Yes, hope you're enjoying the video.
Thank you. Do we have this one go to the?
Yeah.
I'll bring those right.
Thank you. Yeah. Sinda tunajipakianga.
Ay, mbona last time walitupakia?
So
Yes, these are shorts. Where, guys? Tunakula. These are the shorts. What?
sisi pombe hapo.
Acha kujifanya urudishe ile sura ilikuwa jamani.
Thank you so much.
Stop boomerang.
We are done. We're heading out. Tumevuka na ilikuwa red. We didn't even check.
Imagine. We're just confused. Oh my god, uchingia kwa shop.
Kuna nini mzuri?
Inakwanga supu. And then they usually have really nice chocolates hapo.
Chocolates? You know I'm not a fan of chocolates, but I do eat when I'm gifted. When I do eat them. But I can't just go and get them.
I love this place. Uchingia hapa. Have you checked peleka? Hapa ni kwa steakhouse. What ni steakhouse?
Yeah.
Sasa hapa ndio unapatanga
Going to the beach with my sister. She's gonna show me the beach. But I don't have a short because I was wearing this. You can see my outfit. So we're gonna go to the mall and then I get my short. You know I talk too fast. My husband be telling me I talk too fast. Is it true? I'll be rapping.
I don't know.
You feel like I talk normal, right? Because you're used.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you talk normal.
Yeah, I'm normal.
Yeah, kuna ile katina Monaka inakwanga hapa.
Inakwanga wapi?
Hapo tunaona tukitoka 4 tunaweza pita hapo kwa wine.
Kwa wines?
Kwa wine kamoja tu.
My sister is treating me, guys. Oh my god, thank you, sister. God bless you. You get extra more money.
Oh, thank you.
Sindio?
I hope I get married to a rich man.
You will, for real. Sorry.
Yes.
Guys, we just confused some old people there.
I know I'm
to separate.
I know, I'm like,
you know, because they can say we're vlogging and we're so busy.
And then yeah.
What's happening? That was unnecessary.
Angekuwa ndani. Lakini ako ndani. Ilikuwa master.
I know. Anatuvutia gari.
Hey, how are we doing? Not so Fogo de Chao. Ushaingia hapa? Who wanna
Eating Fogo de Chao.
Who wanna serve food here?
No, I think I came for a birthday here. I was here.
Ushaingia hapa?
Yeah, I was there. Yeah. My man's friend had a birthday there.
Oh, ndio ilikuwa hapo?
Yeah.
Tuingia hapa na soma.
Oh, guys, I'm gonna go and get some shorts. Would you want a shot? How much in the Macy's?
Macy's is happy.
Tumepita siku huko nyuma.
Chicken zika hapo.
Zinakaa smart.
Espresso martini.
Wow, inanukia kama caramel. Sindo? Is it caramel? It's not.
Oh, wow.
Guys, I came here to look for a shorts. Let me look for a short. Oh, no, easy ata. Zina to invite.
Yeah, look at that.
They're so pretty.
What is awesome.
I know, and it's 60% offer. Oh no, not 60% offer.
So now let's extend.
Sipendi any kwa hii line yote, imagine. I don't like any of these guys. Tafadhali staki hizo nzo ni mzee. I'm running away from there.
Nice. Easy. This is our cat.
Ebu nitolee hii moja nione.
Hii.
Yeah. But the waist looks so big. What's the waist?
28,
Yeah,
26.
it's good.
But you never know from here. So to go 26, 28 to 14.
Yeah.
3C. 30.
So it's not bad.
20.
Pretty. I don't like the way these nakas zimekatwa tutoka kwa trouser.
Ooh. Name?
It's big. The thighs. I don't have the thighs.
Ooh.
Yeah.
But
is it stretching? I don't like the color.
This is you. I don't think what's happened yet.
No, I wouldn't love it. At least right now you can know what I want and what I don't want. If I was with my husband, he's like, I know you don't like this. I had something like that. Huku sijaona kwa na vitu weird.
Nani? Kuna hizi zingine hapa. Sasa unataka shorts gani?
Hii ni smart lakini
Inakaa kubwa.
haka ni karembo. Sindio? What do you think about this one?
Yeah. Unajua ungechukua uzipime zote.
Venye nataka tu peke yake si zote.
Yeah. Ini 25.
Waist? No, see, inaka inanitosha. So see the waist. It
Yeah.
looks bigger.
Tunaweza chukua
Yeah.
pia uangalie how it feels.
White shirts I don't have one.
Waisi ngekona mataka kubwa.
Ati ngona mataka kubwa. Ndio uringia watu waonyeshe kila kitu. Oh no, wait. You know I can even walk with these shorts. Right? It's very girly. I'm not a girly person. I don't get girly things.
Ooh,
You said something? Why are you screaming? You made me worried.
Wow.
You know, I love these sweaters. Oh my god. Napenda hizi.
Cute.
$39.
Nice.
Ora venye naona pesa zatoroka ati $39. Sitaki kumuuliza sister yangu guys. So wacha nichukue tu shorts. Twende. Filmi hizi ama tuangalie shorts zingine. Mimi toke huko.
Zile shorts zingine.
Kuja, nimeona kishort. Mashorts.
Oh, hizi tops. I love them. Ziko cute.
Unakaa vest. Sinaonyesha watu video. Guys, huku na vitu vyenye sistangu anapenda. Mimi naweza toroka nazo. What are you owing here? Yeah? Wow, it's pretty but I have big.
Ooh, look
Look at this, but it's very big.
I like the color.
Same, it's very pretty. It's very appealing. Interesting. Cutesy. You said something? When I just hear you saying, ooh, I know you're saying something. Come on, sister. What's that? Hakuna shorts zingine mahali? Ndio hizi trouser zangu na huku.
Umecheki ama bado?
Naziangalia tu kwa macho guys. Look at this. Sitaki zinakaa vibaya. I guess tuna nikapime hizi. Si ndio?
No worries.
Yeah, this one are okay. I don't think there's something else. Naangalia vinyasa vingine kama nitaviona.
Oh, hapa tumetoka hapa.
Na hii ni nini? Ya leather?
Inakaa watoto.
No, not this one. The other one. This one.
Oh, hii ni skirt.
Ni pretty.
I know.
Ama nichukue hiyo? No, I didn't see it. It's very pretty.
Haya.
Kinitoshea zote. Sister yangu yeye mwenyewe ndio my bank account. So umebeba bikini? Umebeba bikini?
Niko na bikini na bag. Sisi nilikwambia bag ukasema.
Mimi nataka. Hiyo Cinderella navalia wapi jamani? Wana hizi nguo za jela. Mwana nguo za jela? Hizo unazipenda?
Nilikupa nice color but too green.
Nisiende huku nisikusoteshe. Twende tu straight. Bwanangu nataka nikiwa kwa viatu ananiambia, please, can you move?
Mimi wanabaingi viatu zangu hapa.
Is this the first choice of feet? How do you feel about this? But then, before you choose for me, I would have chosen. So, I feel like this one is a bit tight because inani press guys. But the waist is big. Imagine it says 25. Yeah, guys, the other one was looking so bright. I didn't vlog it. It was so baggy. But this one, how do you love about this one? Oh, I didn't vlog the orange one. This one, the pink or the peach, looks bright. So I love this one.
Yeah, me I like that one.
I like it too. This one, I love it. So let's. Oh, the waist is. Imagine it's 27, and it's big. See, guys. What? And it's so 25 though.
Yeah, iko very slidey.
Kiatu.
Anyway. Tavaa tu. No. Sipe.
You're smart. You're a dancer. You look like a dancer.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's not cast. I think I like this one. Sikupenda ile nyingine.
Chocolate.
Guys, look at this short.
Yeah. Lobby one. Una vlog.
So with my shorts, guys, yeah, I'm vlogging. So we're going. Wow, it's beautiful. Let me zoom in. Okay, let's go. As I'm telling you, I'm hungry. What's my sister? Wait. Ngoje. Skia. My sister today, she's pushing it.
Convertible. Oh.
Thank you, my love. Only convertible.
East side. We have to walk this way.
Let's walk, guys.
Ametuangalia.
Come on, sisters, bestie, please let me merge. So, guys, we're tired. Guys, we've walked. I didn't walk with you because I was very tired. But now we got here. Whew. Wow, the car is hot.
I know.
Right?
I'm crazy.
Oh, guys. Finally, we're here. Sorry for the camera is blurry, but you. So long as you can see us. Look at the camera.
Because the sun doesn't set until 8.
Yeah, the sun sets at 8.
For car insurance, you didn't sign up for
Guys, we're going to the beach. We're so tired. I didn't vlog when we were walking to the car.
I got a hangover. Whoa, I've been drinking too much for sure. I got a hangover. Whoa, I got an empty cup.
Calling me up like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, 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 you making me new today. Rhino, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. Ooh, you wait for me.
At the next stop sign, bear left.
20 please.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't know where they're going. They can
Calling me up like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, 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 you making me new today. Rhino, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. Ooh.
Is this a church?
It is a mile. Turn in half a mile. Turn left onto Evergreen Point Road.
We turn right.
Yeah, so that was straight.
Unasikia venye map kanipoteza someone.
Oh yeah. Honey, wow. So pretty.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Oh,
the trees are beautiful.
Aside, turn left onto Evergreen Point
ni
Road.
hapa nakumbuka.
Wow, that heart is beautiful. Guys, huku kunaitwa Medina, iko Belleville. Rich people only. Get me? Kunuko na wanaendesha bike wengi.
Nakumbukanga hapa tulikuja na Frida.
The
Najaribu kupata
next stop
gari.
is on your right.
Yeye ama wewe? Frida. Oh.
In town with me. But you're nothing at a dime on it. Bought me at a price I can't afford. Taking me to places I ain't explored yet. Heavenly places. No GPS or escaping.
I remember now. Beach for two planet.
Ni ile beach na logo.
Sijui inakwanga party. Kwa siku inakwanga kumejaa.
Imagine tukiwa Tuambui imefungwa.
Ziko so hidden.
Very hidden. Na zinakaa smart.
Oh, Hakim!
Umesema Hakimu.
8 to 5 p.m. Thank God. Unasema hapa.
Guys already changed to a short. Kama vice. Yeah, that's my sister. So we're going to the beach. Here comes Ma. So, akina sikia nimechoka kutembea already. Hii ni cameraman nini?
Kuna jua sana.
Oh.
Saa zingine saa za sama unaona.
Kuna kaa vizuri, so chilled. No dogs allowed. The fact that it's free.
I know. So cheap.
You wait for me, and you know, say you wait for me.
Imepanda na kinyasa ilikuwa
You wait for me, took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it. Took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it.
Sunana. Kana beach na nini. Speedboat. Una swim hapo. Si ndio?
mimi sijui.
No, ni restrooms.
Sisi ni mafiza dogi tunakanyaga.
Shit.
Ew.
Sisi ni mapizza.
Gaumu.
Tuende. Ducks. Probably the ducks.
Yeah, that's sure.
Leo hakuna jua. Karo chungu usikanyangi hizo.
Ni mafi, what do you mean? Niko very serious looking at them. Hii ni apartment kama ni nyumba ya mtu?
Sijui ni hostel, restrooms. Nakumbuka tulikaa hapa na Frida.
Memories. Kaina kuna basi.
Kuna I know kuko like ile ni Seattle.
Kuko ni Seattle.
Yeah, that's
you can zoom it. Have let me. Like a 5. Over Seattle.
Kuna baridi dong.
Nyasa. Tunateste. Tunasikia baridi.
Baridi.
Twende tukae pale, si ndio?
Sawa. Pale kwa zile viti.
Alafu tutsink.
Nasikiliza.
What's utavabiki kuko? We think of it.
No swimming beard, only front drops of the raft. Okay.
I thought they say walk at your own risk.
Imagine a catch body.
Inakaa ukiingia utatoka kama una breathe. Unatoka gani?
Look at that house.
What? Hapo ukidrop simu ni hivyo maisha. Hata kichana yako ikiingie huko. Kaone. Never the skinny one. Video. Hi guys, it's very cold. Actually, we came here to take pictures with bikini, but guess what? We can't do that because it's very, very cold. So next time we're gonna come here maybe early enough so that you can swim and enjoy. If you turn into a macho, I can't. But enjoying. Halafu nianguke guys nikiwa enjoy. Anyway, bye. We're going where? Going back. Okay, we're going for bowling, right? Yeah, guys. Bye. We enjoyed. We are going back to the car. We stayed here like 5 minutes and then that's it. We came here to take pictures. He said no kuna lights juu ya juu. So unajua juu because iPhone with lighting guys. I don't know iPhone 25 bado inataka lighting. Taki upuzia. Skinny girls. Hey.
Ndio tulikoti kenda hivi ama?
Sitaki. Siwezi capture nyumba za watu unajua.
Haina address.
Guys, yani ina record.
She's a vlogger. So if you see her, she's vlogging.
Yeah.
Someone's vlogging like
Aya. Cha kuandika.
no judgment.
Wow. Can I use what you're going at the corner? Where's it going at the corner? Wow!
That was a good one.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Where's she? Oh.
For treating us.
Yeah, I told him thank you too. Thank you.
Can I try?
You'll fall like me. What?
I don't want chocolate.
What? You miss like me. Then I miss terribly again. Woo!
Good job.
I tried. There's a time with my sister. Oh my god. And the Kingster.
I just it's like I like making it drop.
Yeah.
So it's like
Yeah.
just goes to second place. Bronze medal no matter.
I'm number 2. Oh, I'm number 2. My sister's number 3, but she's almost the same. Only 3 balls. Clap at me. Guys, we're done for the day. I'm tired. I'm going.
Analipa? Anaenda ho. Mwambie bye.
Kwani hujamwambia?
Nimemwambia.
These so guys, these are like third spot, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Let's go. Go and vlog here. Open every 4 p.m. until 12. Full block like a house menu. Kai, huku kwani hakuna watu. Huku ni
Nataka tuchukue glasi mbili.
si tunachukua tu alafu tukimaliza ndo tutajua. Si tutakunywa pole pole.
Yeah.
Tunywe kama maji. Maybe kuwe tamu sana. Una get?
Yeah. Hashi imeanguka. Si nikachukua.
I think of it yours.
Yeah. Nikamwambia one of my colleagues. Ukaniambia keep it. But don't tell anybody. Because if you give akaniambia keep it. Girl, I keep that. Niliweka.
Calling me up like the first day. This ain't no first day. Yeah, 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 you make it.
Tuwakaribishe. Mi amor. Hi baby.
In the quiet of the night, shadows comb my